Hello everyone. You might think that this old cable is broken and can only be thrown in the trash, but I'm going to show you how to repair it in a simple and really surprising way. My first step is to carefully cut off the plug end from a cord. I'm making sure to cut cleanly to maximize the usable length of the wire. I'm using a utility knife to carefully strip away some of the plastic around the plug. This reveals the individual insulated wires inside. This is a delicate process, as I want to expose the metal without damaging the structure. I'm stripping back the outer insulation from the cut plug end. Leave a comment and let me know which country you are watching from. It's great that we can connect and chat from all over the world. I'm then stripping the insulation from these wires one by one, exposing the copper strands. It's important to twist these copper strands tightly to prevent fraying and ensure a solid connection later on. Now, I'm moving to the other end of the power cord. Similar to the first step, I'm stripping back the outer insulation to expose the inner wires. I'll then carefully strip the insulation from each individual wire, just enough to expose the copper conductors. Now, with the main cable wires prepared, I'm securing the modified plug into a sturdy vise to keep it steady. I'm carefully soldering each of the stripped wires from the main cable to the corresponding pins on the plug. A robust solder connection is absolutely vital for a durable and safe electrical circuit, so I'm making sure each joint is strong and free of cold spots. To protect these new connections, I'm sliding individual pieces of heat shrink tubing over each solder joint. This acts as a crucial barrier to prevent any accidental short circuits. If you find this video interesting, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss any interesting ideas coming soon. I'll then apply heat to the tubing to shrink it tightly, ensuring a sealed and insulated connection that prevents any accidental short circuits. This step is vital for safety. After I had heat sealed the wires, I took a roll of thread and wrapped it around the joints to secure the wires securely. I will wrap it carefully and meticulously to help our wire become strong connection. To add an extra layer of structural integrity and to secure the wires inside, I'm applying a few drops of super glue where the cable enters the plug body. This will create a firm bond and prevent any movement or strain on the delicate internal connections. Next, for ultimate protection and durability, I'm wrapping the entire connection point with black electrical tape. This serves as both insulation and a robust strain relief, protecting the wires from bending and wear. I'll wrap it tightly and evenly, creating a clean, secure, and professional-looking finish. And there you have it, our awesome multi-purpose extension cord, repaired from a previously broken cable. It looks so strong that it has never been broken. I'll plug it into a power strip to demonstrate its functionality. Look at that. It's working perfectly, ready for all sorts of unexpected tasks. This innovative DIY device truly proves that with a little creativity and some simple materials, you can achieve amazing things. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.